What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that drives the price of this company higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we have to retest this sloping line from the top, and let me remind you that it was a bullish falling wedge and we broke it to the upside. And let me show you that the breakout was with a real huge volume. As you can see right here, this candle has this huge volume, and it was the real breakout, and we have to prove this pattern by retesting this sloping line from the top, and with a good volume we had to break these previous tops. And as you can see, we just did it, and the next candle right here with this movement to the upside has a really good volume as well, and congratulations to all of you, it is 100% confirmed, and we broke this pattern to the upside. Officially we broke it. So, and I will show my technical analysis in just several minutes. Let's continue with the fundamental news, and let's start with the company profile. For those of you who don't know, NIO designs, develops, manufactures and sells smart electric vehicle in China. And for now they just started to sell their vehicles in Europe. First country is Norway, and within the next 12 months they will start to sell their vehicles in Germany and potentially in Netherlands. So this company for now has a total market cap of $59.38 billion. They have a revenue of $4.27 billion with a very good revenue growth of 182.3%. They have negative net income of $1.27 billion, and their total cash position is $7.26 billion. But this number is a little bit outdated. They added about $2 billion with their recent stock offering, and for now they have more than $9 billion of total cash position. So financially this company is very stable, no doubts about it, and that's why you can rely on this company as your potential long-term investment. So what was the reason for recent spike? And let me show you this news first of all. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on October 15th, and it's titled "XPeng and NIO lead big day for China-related auto stocks." And let me quote you just a couple of bullets. XPeng, Li Auto, NIO and Kandi Technologies are having a solid day as investors snap up China-related auto stocks again. What is driving the gain? Investors may be noting that Chinese auto brands have carved out more market share in their local market during the global chip shortage at the expense of the German and Japanese automakers, even though overall sales volume was down in September. Notably, brands like BYD company NIO, state-owned SAIC Motor and XPeng are also looking to export to Europe as they continue to use Norway as a testing ground. We've had a long-standing thesis that China will use battery electric vehicles as the medium to become a significantly more powerful player in the industry, says RBC Capital Market analyst Joe Spock on the developing trend. And I have to say that NIO has even more news that drives its price higher. We are on cnavpost.com, and this article was published on October 15th, and it's titled NIO HEFEI plant finishes phased renovation, increasing annual capacity by 20% to 120,000 units on single shift. And let me quote you just a couple of paragraphs. NIO factory in HEFEI, built in cooperation with GAC, has completed a phase upgrade of its production line, allowing for further capacity increases. NIO said the upgrade is for the start of production of new models, including the ET7. The current annual production capacity is 120,000 units per year and will reach 240,000 units per year after the overall upgrade is completed. Through overtime or increased shifts, the plant's annual capacity can be increased to 300,000 units, according to NIO. Previously, the plant's annual capacity was 100,000 units per year on a single shift basis. The latest figure means a 20% increase. And I have to say that every time that some company with the huge capital expenditures made this type of enhancements, it is really important step, because all in all, they don't need to build more plants, they just upgrade their existing plants, and it will be much cheaper on the price of their products. And this means it will increase their profits and margin. So, and let me show you one more news. This article was published on October 13th, and it's titled "NIO's second plant gets major progress in construction, expected to start production in September next year." And let me quote you this. William Lee, founder, chairman and CEO of NIO, has said that the company's second factory in HEFEI will be put into operation in the fourth quarter of next year. The latest information shows that the construction of the plant has made significant progress and the production will start in September next year. And this plant will be able to produce 300,000 units per year, and the total production numbers will be about 600,000 units by the end of 2022. And this number is really impressive, and that is why we have this surge in price, because we have two major news. And let me show you that we still have the same forecast from TipRanks on this stock, and we have 7 ratings, and all of them suggest to buy this stock. And as you can see, the lower price point of these estimates is $47, average price is $62.44, and the high level is $72. And to the average price, this stock has about 65.5% of upside potential. And it is really good company. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I mentioned in my previous video, we potentially might have this point as our lowest point, with the retracement from this bottom. Let me show it to you. From this bottom, from the 10th of May to this top on June the 30th. And I have to say that some of you might think that if we broke this support line, and let me remind you that it was a really good support, and we had several touches right here, and it was really massive. And if we break this support, some of you might think that we might see lower price targets. But let me show you a weekly time frame. Right here, let me show you that we have only week below this support line with this candle. And this means, technically, on a weekly time frame, this support line still holds, and it is a very good sign, because from the investor's standpoint, you cannot use any time frames that are lower than weekly, because you put your money into the company for the long period of time. This means this support line still holds, and we have two major candles that are in green color, and this wedge was broken to the upside, and it was a very good breakout with the good volume, and that's why you can accumulate your position for the long term with this company, and this company will give you huge upside potential. So let's switch again to 4 hours time frame, and let me show you that our next potential target might be right here at this previous swing high, and from our current price we might have about 10% to this level. And let me show you that potentially we might have even higher price targets when we will exceed next resistance line, and it will be right here at the 26.19% of potential profits. And our major target by the end of this year, we have to break this previous swing high, and the upside potential to this point is about 50%. So what should you do if you want to enter the position with this ticker? On upcoming sessions, in my opinion, we will have a slight pullback, and this pullback won't be massive in my opinion, because we have a real breakout with the conviction of volume. This means on a 4 hours red candle you can accumulate your position, and this average price will give you slightly bigger potential profits in the future. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Congratulations to all of you who took my calls and who follow my channel for quite some time. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!